Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Parmsi. It's been a while and I definitely miss filming. Last week I went to San Francisco to visit my family. I decided to unplug completely. Now I'm back and happy and ready to be here. So today video, it's all about going back to school makeup look. So it's a very simple makeup look for those of you guys who going to school, college, high school, you want to just look a little bit, more awake and not show that you were up till like 4 a.m. in the morning doing projects and homework. And you also want to get that extra sleep in the morning. I know how it feels. So this makeup tutorial, it's very affordable, drugstore friendly. I bought everything from CVS. As you know, I'm a coupon whore and I love couponing. This is a makeup for you to do in 10 or even less minutes, if it makes sense, before going to school. Let's jump into it and start. First thing first, I'm gonna start my makeup by priming my face. I'm going in with the matte finish. It's a Wet n Wild Photo Focus face primer because matte finish tend to have your makeup basically last on your face longer. Then for my foundation, I'm going in with the Maybelline Dewy Finish Foundation. This one is great since I did go with the matte primer. I don't want my face to be super matte because it gets very dried up looking. So I went with a Dewy Finish Foundation and my shade is 230 Natural Buff. Using my favorite palette, back of my hand, and going in with this brush that I know you're sick of seeing, but it's a Sigma brush and I love it. I highly recommend doing your makeup in the morning with the brush rather than the sponge because it takes more time, like washing the sponge and blending it, bouncing it. Brush, it's way faster and easier to blend your foundation with. I guess my shade is a bit dark for my skin tone now because my tan is fading. Let's pretend it's matching, okay? We're drenching Parmita in foundation because I can't stand when my neck is like way lighter than my face. For concealer, I'm going in with L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow in shade 02. It's a very natural looking concealer, definitely very liquidy. I used it in my CVS haul video. Moving on to set my concealer to last the whole day of school. Brutal, stressful day. I am using the Essence banana powder. Actually, I broke it. We pretend I did not break this. So this is it. Essence Brighten Banana Powder. Powder? Why? Why do I do this? Ew. Setting around my nose. That's where I sweat when I used to get not a very nice grades. So we are protecting ourselves from sweating crazy. And just a tiny bit on my forehead. To just bronze up the face, I'm going in with this bronzer that I don't skip in any videos and you are sick of it. I am sorry, I'm not gonna say what it is because by now you should know. I'm going in very softly with the fluffier brush to just around my face to warm up my face since I'm not as super bronzed as it is. This part is totally optional. You can either go with the blush or not. I usually don't, but in this video, I am going with Milani. The shade is Romantic Rose 01. This is a very natural, this is a very natural, rosy look. Where is my brush? It's right over here. With the remaining concealer on my brush, I'm going on my lid very lightly to give it a very nice and even base for the shadow. And by now, you know, if I'm looking this way, I'm looking straight in the mirror. I'm not using any shadow. I'm using my bronzer to just give more dimension to my lid, especially if you have folded lids like me, and we are very blessed. You can definitely warm up your lid with your favorite bronzer in the crease and give your lid more dimension. As easy as this. What I also do is I go in with the bronzer again with the flatter brush and then go on my lower lash line very close to the lash line. My next product is actually, it's my first time using it. It's a Wet n Wild highlighter Mega Glow in shade Blossom Glow. I'm going in with my finger and just put it over my lid, just in the center to give it a little something extra. Not too bad, right? It's not like too much, but it has that subtle shimmer, nice shine to it. And I'm sure if you mix it with like Fix Plus, if you want more pigmentation or like setting spray, it would pop a little bit more. But for school, I think it's very subtle and nice. With a very tiny brush, I'm gonna just highlight the tear duct. I'm gonna highlight the brow bone. To finish up the eye makeup, I would suggest going in with L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. This is definitely one of my most favorite drugstore mascara. Currently, I have some extensions in my lashes, so I'm not using the mascara, but you're on the go. You want your lashes look long and full, grab this. I swear by this product. You can definitely skip this step too, but I love highlighters and I can never skip. As far as I remember doing makeup, I always used highlighters, and my favorite one was the Bobbi Brown, the block ones. And people would like ask me back in the day, back in like 2010, 11, oh, what are you using? So I'm not skipping highlighters. I don't know about you. This is not bad. It's very pretty. It's not like bam, but it is very, very pretty. Last but not least, if you want to look super natural, you can go with the chapstick or gloss, or you can just line your lips with a very similar color to your lip color. I am using L'Oreal Infallible 6 Hour in shade Nude.
Everybody know it. The truth about our way we tied it loose ends up. I'm sorry.
You can finish up the look by just, you know, filling in your lips with the lip liner, because it will definitely last longer than a lipstick. So I will stop here. The very last step that it's very important to me, it's set my makeup, and I am going in with Wet n Wild, the natural finish setting spray. Today we used a lot of Wet n Wild. Yeah, just watch me spray it on my face, okay? Alright guys, this is the back to school makeup look. Such a natural look that you can literally go to school and tell all your friends, I woke up like this, and slay all the 8 hours and not be worried about any of your grades. So I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button, like this video, and share it with your friends. Alright? Happy back to school, or ew, no, I don't know. Should I say that? But have a great day. Stay beautiful. Bye.